What is the carbon footprint of machine learning on our smartphones? The good news is that for all of the phones in the world, machine learning adds up to only about 0.3 million tons of carbon dioxide equivalent emissions per year. Pretty small compared to the amount Wi-Fi and the display add. When we add in all the other processes on the phone, we're just over 10 million tons of CO2. Of course, the phones are running on battery power and only drawing electricity from the grid when charging. Wireless chargers are increasingly popular, but unfortunately, they are even less efficient. If we forget to unplug our wireless chargers, they continue to draw power from the grid, like energy vampires, even when nothing is charging. If manufacturers included a sensor that only activated the charger when a phone was present, we could save most of this wasted energy. So is that all? Well, no. Unfortunately, all of this pales in comparison to the emissions created through the process of manufacturing the phone itself. It brings us up to over 100 million tons of CO2 per year for the world's smartphones. So clearly, we have a lot of opportunities to reduce our smartphones' impact on the environment.